Imagine waking up on a random Tuesday in 2026. You grab your coffee, open your laptop, and realize you made money while you were asleep. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's not. The truth is, passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about building systems that keep working even when you don't. In this video, we're diving into 7 passive income ideas that will still work in 2026 and beyond. No hype, no get-rich-quick talk, just real strategies that are adapting to the new world of AI, automation, and digital money. Whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 worker, or already running a side hustle, these ideas can help you start building financial freedom step by step. So grab your notes and let's build your 2026 money plan together. The new era of passive income. Before we jump into the list, let's talk about what's changing. The old version of passive income, renting houses, dividend stocks, writing ebooks, still works, but the world is evolving fast. AI tools, automation, and the creator economy are transforming how people earn. Today, you can automate customer service with chatbots, schedule content that earns while you sleep, or invest in crypto that yields returns automatically. The best part? You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to be smart, consistent, and a little bit creative. Passive income idea number 1: AI-powered content assets. Content is still king, but in 2026, it's AI-assisted content that wears the crown. You can build YouTube channels, blogs, or newsletters that earn ad revenue, affiliate commissions, or sponsorships, all while using AI tools to cut 80% of your workload. Think about it. Use ChatGPT or Claude for script writing, Midjourney or Leonardo for visuals, CapCut or Runway Gen 3 for editing, automation tools like Notion AI or Zapier to handle posting and analytics. Example: a faceless YouTube channel about investing, AI tools, or productivity. Once your videos start ranking, they bring consistent ad revenue and affiliate income. Combine this with SEO and evergreen topics, and your channel keeps earning, even when you take a break. Pro tip: focus on searchable content, not trends. The goal is to make videos or posts that stay relevant for years. Passive income. Idea number 2: dividend and ETF investing. This one's a classic, and it's still powerful. In 2026, the smartest investors don't trade daily. They invest in index funds, ETFs, and dividend-paying stocks that compound automatically. Platforms like eToro, Robinhood, or Freetrade make investing easier than ever. You can use AI robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront to auto-rebalance your portfolio. What's passive here? Your money literally works for you 24/7, collecting dividends and growing in value while you sleep. Example: if you invest $5,000 into an S&P 500 ETF and reinvest your dividends for 10 years, you're letting compound interest quietly build your freedom fund. Now, here's why this strategy still matters in 2026, even with AI and crypto taking over the headlines. Dividend and ETF investing works because it's boring, and boring is good when it comes to long-term wealth. You're not trying to beat the market every day. You're letting the market do the work for you. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't stare at it every morning waiting for it to grow. You water it, give it sunlight, and let time do its magic. That's how compounding works. Every dividend you reinvest becomes another branch, and those branches start growing their own leaves. Over the years, your money grows faster and faster, even if you never add another dollar. And thanks to modern platforms, you don't have to be a financial expert. eToro or Freetrade let you invest small amounts, even $10, into ETFs or fractional shares. Betterment or Wealthfront use AI to automatically rebalance and optimize your portfolio for risk and returns. Some brokers even offer dividend reinvestment programs, DRIPS, that take your payouts and buy you more shares automatically. No clicks needed. So what can this look like in real life? Let's say you invest $500 every month into a broad ETF like the S&P 500 or Vanguard Total Market Index. Historically, these funds return about 7 to 10% per year on average. That means after 10 years, you'd have roughly $86,000 to $100,000, and you only invested $60,000 of your own money. The rest? That's compound growth doing its quiet work in the background. And the beauty of ETFs is flexibility. You can build your own mix. Dividend ETFs for steady income, tech ETFs for growth ESG, or AI innovation ETFs, if you want to invest in the future. The key is to stay consistent. Don't panic when the market dips. Don't chase hype when something goes viral. Set a schedule, invest monthly, and let automation handle the rest. Passive income doesn't mean you ignore your money. It means you set up systems so it grows with minimal stress. Passive income. Idea number 3. Digital real estate. Forget about physical apartments for a second. In 2026, digital real estate can be just as valuable and cheaper to start. Digital real estate means owning online properties that generate income, websites with affiliate links or ads, niche blogs or review pages, domain names that gain value. Even virtual land in metaverse projects, though be selective. These assets take time to build, but once they're live, they keep bringing in cash flow with little maintenance. Pro tip: use AI to create content clusters quickly. For example, a blog about personal finance tools where each article links to affiliate offers, all written, optimized, and scheduled using AI. That's digital rent. Think of digital real estate like building a property portfolio online. Except instead of land and bricks, your assets are websites, pages, and audiences. And your rent comes in the form of ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and traffic value. The beauty of it? You can start with almost no money. A domain name costs less than lunch, and hosting for a blog is cheaper than a gym membership. What matters most is strategy, content, and patience. Imagine owning a small website that ranks on Google for something like Best AI Budgeting Tools. Every time someone clicks your link and signs up for an app, you earn a commission. That's your rent payment. Digital rent paid every day. Now multiply that by 10. 10 small niche websites, each making $100 to $500 per month. And suddenly you've built yourself a $5,000 per month digital real estate portfolio, one that doesn't need tenants or maintenance calls. The key is to think long-term and scalable. In physical real estate, you need years to buy more houses. In digital real estate, you can build or acquire new sites every few months using AI and automation. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Surfer SEO help you research keywords, write optimized blog posts, and create topic clusters in hours, not weeks. Tools like Notion, AI, Phrase, or Koala Writer can plan content calendars that build authority automatically over time. And here's the secret most people miss. You don't always have to create everything yourself. There's a growing market for buying and flipping websites, just like real property. You can purchase a small blog already earning a few $100s a month from platforms like Flipper or Empire Flippers, improve it with better content and AI automation, and sell it later for 20 times to 40 times its monthly profit. That's right. You can flip digital real estate the same way investors flip houses. And don't forget about domain names. Those are like empty lots in the digital world. A short, catchy domain tied to future trends, like AImoneyhub.com or greentechinvest.io, could easily skyrocket in value as industries grow. Of course, this kind of digital property takes time to gain traction. You'll need to learn some SEO basics, keep content fresh, and focus on serving real people, not just algorithms. But once your sites start ranking, they keep attracting traffic and income automatically, even when you're on vacation. That's the true power of digital real estate. You build once, maintain lightly, and collect rent forever. The earlier you start building your digital assets, the stronger your portfolio becomes, just like investing in property. Only this time, the land isn't in a city, it's online. And the best part? There are no limits to how much you can own. Passive income. Idea number 4. Build and license digital products. Digital products are exploding. Templates, Notion dashboards, ebooks, online courses, digital art, music samples, code snippets, you name it. Once you create it, you can sell it forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy Digital, and Shopify handle payments and delivery automatically. Combine that with AI design tools and you can build 10 times faster. Example: create an AI prompt pack for freelancers, a financial planner spreadsheet, a Canva template bundle for YouTubers. Each of these can sell hundreds of times while you sleep. Pro tip: focus on solving small but common problems. Passive income loves repeatable value. The beauty of digital products is that they only take effort once, but can pay you forever. You build something once and every new sale costs you $0 in extra time or materials. That's why it scales so fast. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a designer or a coder to start. AI tools can help you create professional quality products in hours. ChatGPT or Claude can help you write ebooks, guides, or course outlines. Canva, Midjourney, or Leonardo can design templates, workbooks, or digital planners. Notion AI can even help you turn your systems into sellable dashboards or trackers. Once you've built something that solves a real problem, like helping people organize their finances, plan content, or save time, you can license it or sell it across multiple platforms. For example, you could sell your product directly on Gumroad or Etsy Digital, build your own Shopify store, or license your templates to other creators or businesses for recurring income. Digital products are all about leverage. One idea can reach thousands of people while you sleep. And if you combine smart marketing with automation tools like scheduled posts, email funnels, and AI-driven customer support, you can turn a single product into a full digital business. Start small, focus on helping people, and remember, every useful tool, planner, or guide you make is a tiny asset that can pay you over and over again. Passive income idea number 5. Automated online businesses. In 2026, automation equals freedom. We are talking about dropshipping, print on demand, and AI-assisted e-commerce, but smarter than before. You can use Shopify with Printify or Gelato to create merch or products with zero inventory. Use AI tools to generate product descriptions, ads, and even visuals. Marketing? Automated via email sequences and retargeting. The business runs on systems, not you. Example: you design t-shirts using AI art, list them online, and every sale is printed and shipped automatically. You focus on creativity, the rest happens in the background. The real magic of automation is that it doesn't just save time, it multiplies your capacity. Once your systems are set up, they can run 24/7, processing orders, updating inventory, handling customers, and even testing new ads while you sleep. And because everything is data-driven, you can scale smarter. AI tools can track which designs, ads, or products perform best, then automatically increase your budget on the winners and pause the ones that underperform. That's how modern online businesses grow, not by working harder, but by letting data and automation guide decisions. Even small creators can now operate like full-scale companies. A single person can manage a global store with AI writing copy, designing visuals, and sending emails automatically to customers around the world. Think of it like having a digital team that never sleeps, one that handles everything from sales to fulfillment. Your job becomes the creative direction, not the constant management. And here's the best part. Once your store is profitable, you can replicate the same system in new niches. Build once, automate, repeat. That's the formula for turning side hustles into sustainable, scalable income. Passive income idea number 6, DeFi and Crypto Yield. Yes, crypto is still here and it's maturing. Decentralized finance, DeFi, lets you earn yield without banks. In 2026, the biggest opportunities are in staking, holding tokens to earn rewards, liquidity pools, earning transaction fees, tokenized real-world assets like real estate or commodities. But listen, this is not risk-free. Always research, diversify, and use trusted platforms. Think of it as a futuristic version of dividend investing, only with blockchain and automation doing the heavy lifting. The real innovation in DeFi isn't just about coins, it's about systems that replace traditional finance with smart contracts. Instead of a bank holding your money and deciding the interest, you become the bank. You lend, stake, or provide liquidity directly, and the rewards flow back to you automatically. And thanks to AI-powered analytics, you can now monitor yields, gas fees, and risks in real time. No spreadsheets, no guesswork. Imagine earning small but steady returns from multiple platforms. One staking Ethereum, another providing liquidity in a DeFi pool, and a third holding tokenized real estate shares that generate monthly payouts. That's diversified digital income, decentralized, automated, and global. The key is to stay informed and disciplined. Don't chase hype. Focus on protocols with proven track records, strong audits, and real utility. DeFi isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about earning like a bank, but with transparency and control in your hands. The future of passive income isn't just digital, it's decentralized. Passive income idea number 7. Build a personal brand that pays 54 minutes to 59 minutes. Your personal brand is your most valuable digital asset. When people trust you, they buy from you automatically. In 2026, you can turn your expertise or passion into multiple passive streams: affiliate deals, ebooks, courses, sponsorships, membership communities. You build once, then your audience becomes the engine that drives your income. Even if you start small, every piece of content is a seed that can grow into long-term revenue. The truth is, people follow people, not faceless brands. Whether you share finance tips, travel hacks, fitness routines, or your creative process, your voice builds trust, and trust creates income. The beauty of a personal brand is leverage. One video, one tweet, or one email can work for you forever, bringing new followers, new customers, and new opportunities long after you've hit *post. The key is consistency and authenticity. Don't try to be everywhere. Focus on one or two platforms you enjoy and master them. Use AI tools to plan content, schedule posts, repurpose clips, and even generate captions or ideas, so you stay visible without burnout. And remember, you don't need millions of followers to make real money. A loyal community of 1,000 true fans who trust your recommendations can create a full-time income through digital products, partnerships, and affiliate deals. Build value first, stay authentic, and the money will follow naturally. Your personal brand is the ultimate form of long-term passive income because it grows as you do. So those are your 7 passive income ideas that will still work in 2026. From AI-powered content and automated businesses to dividend investing and crypto yield, the opportunities are everywhere. But here's the key: passive income takes active effort at the start. The systems you build today can give you freedom tomorrow. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit that like button so YouTube knows to share it with others. Comment below which idea you want me to dive deeper into next. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'm about to drop full tutorials on how to start each one of these step by step. Your future self in 2026 will thank you. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a financial advisor before making investment decisions.